Can you think of a time when you stepped in mud and could feel your foot get stuck? The tracks you see here are not stamps or recreations. These are true tracks that show dinosaurs walked through the mud and left footprints. The tracks to the left were left by the massive plant-eating sauropods that were walking in this very area over 100 million years ago. You may be wondering how these tracks have been preserved in the rock since they were created. Through a process called sedimentation, loose rock fragments, soil, and organic matter were transported by wind, water, or gravity and deposited over the tracks. For instance, a river can transport sand or mud particles from a continent to the sea. The muddy nature of the ground allowed their feet to leave imprints, and over time, the dinosaur tracks were filled with more sediments, promoting its fossilization and preservation. The accumulation of sediment also implies that layers at the bottom of the outcrop are older than the layers located higher up on the cliff. These tracks were preserved for millions of years until the removal of the overlying rock, known as erosion, brought them to the surface where we can see them today. These tracks tell us that when the dinosaurs were walking here, the area was covered in thick mud that could hold the footprints undisturbed. The area would have been similar to the muddy areas near the coast. When the tide is low, these muddy areas, or tidal flats, are very similar to what the dinosaurs walked through. The mud holds the perfect amount of water to create footprints but does not wash them away.